What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Just wanted to put together a quick video going over really just important dates for the next couple weeks in physical science. We're getting to the end here, and we're preparing for our final exam. So once I have this video all published and stuff like that, I'm going to drop it right in the bottom of our first page here. Okay, right underneath that, you can see this calendar that I'm going to flip to in a second. Again, those are the first two items on Schoology. But I can pull this up here. You can see it. We're looking at January 2021. All right, we had a live session last Thursday on the 7th. Okay, and then yesterday we wrapped up Unit 2, Investigation 1, and today we're taking a quiz. All right, so today's the 12th, Tuesday the 12th. Tomorrow will be Wednesday the 13th, and we'll do a little bit of reviewing. I'll post some review materials, just tying together everything from, really from Unit 1 is going to be the heavy emphasis, obviously, because that's mostly what we've done. Okay, on Thursday the 14th, we're going to be going live. I'm going to be going over the directions, and that's when you'll be able to start accessing the documents for the final exam and start working on the one of your choice. Okay, there is going to be a choice between two different assessments. Okay, on Tuesday the 19th and Wednesday the 20th, I'm going to have live check-in sessions for you to come in and ask me questions. Make sure that we are going to be all good there. Okay, and then Thursday the 21st, it's going to be due. All right, I'm also going to be going live that day to make sure you are good to go. However, after Thursday the 21st, we're pretty much going to be done. You should have all of your assignments turned in. Really, any formative or summative assignments that are in Hack should be turned in by this Thursday anyway. Okay, so that way between this Thursday and next Thursday, we're only working on the final, and we can focus all of our energy there. So, again, just a quick video going over a couple important dates for the next coming weeks. I will talk to you guys later.